Alright, so it's about 6:20. Grant had to go in early today for the shopping thing for the senior shopping day. So I'm trying to make the dog poop at 6:20 in the morning so I could go to work. So sun's just starting to come up. It shouldn't make me too late, but depends on him if he goes and poops or not. So it's chilly, but pretty morning so far. No clouds in the sky yet. Alright, it's about 6:36. After handling all the animals, this is kind of where we are. So I'm heading to work now. Not too bad of a late start. Hope it's a good day. We'll see. Okie doke. Well, 7:30. I'm here. Had to unplug my charger. We'll see. Maybe what went down yesterday is still going on as far as like me and Tom going to do some stuff. But probably not, because that's how things are sometimes. So we'll see. Let's go find out. I hope it'll be a good day. Okay, we're going to do a bait install. So I move the D-bark back like that. Then I get my screwdriver and dig into the hole a little bit to make sure there's no irrigation lines or invisible fence. And then I'll put the do the drill. Okay. Oh. That is a termite swarmer. Alright, so it's 4:03 now. Get ready to head to the house. As soon as I get my air conditioning going, bloop, like that. Maybe check out the duster today. I'm not sure. If he did, I need to go by his house, but I need to figure out where the heck he lives because I'm not real sure. So we're gonna roll on down to the road, and yeah. So had a pretty decent day today, I guess. We got 2 big bait installs done. I got a little video there that you probably already seen, thanks to my videoing of what it's like to do a little install. So you do that, like in that one house it was 16 times. The other house was like 14 times. Also got a little video of a swarmer, which is pretty cool because termites are swarming. I like to see those. It makes selling easy. Because people are like, I don't know if I need termite, and then I got termites swarming everywhere. I'm like, well, yeah, termites swarming, so figure it out. Been some confusion with routing and whatnot. We're trying to get that sorted out because this is all new. You know, so I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. Everybody else is not, so I'm not in trouble. But anyway, it's one of those things to where, you know, I was told if somebody's available, like I had 4 different techs. If they are available, to take them so they can learn how to do things. So if I have people tell me that this person is available this day, take him with you, I'm going to take him. But then I find out that the people that are telling me that don't have any idea if they're available or not, and they shouldn't be, or so, I don't know. Like I said, it's not my problem. I'm just like, you know, y'all want me to train people? This is my schedule. This is what I'm going to go do. So put them with me or not. I don't really care, but pick one. So, like I said, not my issue. So I'm going to drive now, and I'll probably call Chad when I'm a little closer. And yeah, but I kind of like days like this in a way because it's a little chaotic. Like I said, I like chaos because it makes the day go by fast. Because you're just like, oh my God, I don't know what's going on. I just, and you turn around and it's 4 o'clock. You know, whereas days you're just sitting there and nothing's going on, you're like, I don't even know, like, it's got to be like 3, and you look at it's like, I don't know, 11:20. So I like chaos. I just don't like disorganized stuff. This is a kind of a faster paced industry, I would say, than certain ones, and you don't know, you know, I might have 3 termite bait station installs. I might have 4 carpenter bees. I might have wasps. I might have ants. I have no idea when I get to work what the day is going to hold for me. Sometimes that's cool. Sometimes it's unnerving, you know, but it's just the nature of it. This is the way this business has always been that way. And it's, you know, you don't know what you're going to run into, and then you got certain, it might be a crawl space, it might be a basement, it might be like the lowest crawl space you've ever been to in your life, and it's just like a foot off the ground, and there's insulation hanging down, and spiders and snakes and rat poop and pee everywhere. Or it might be like a 4-foot high crawl space, and it's like all encapsulated with this really thick white plastic, and all the seams are taped, and it, like, you could have a picnic there and be 100% okay with that. So you never know. That's the beauty of it. So I almost had video doing it last time, but it didn't work.
Yeah, we didn't crank.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, it didn't crank.
I was
Here. Okay, let's see if we're firing. I ain't got no screwdriver. It should be firing, and then you may have it out.
Several they was running until we pulled the carburetor on, put poly on.
Okay, so why ain't we firing?
Oh. All right, well, I am standing in the spot where the duster should be. So, as you could tell by the earlier part of the video, it is not here. But the upside is I can get a really good shot of my other car, because, you know, there's no car in the way. But yeah, we didn't get it running. Got it turning over. We got, I don't think we got anything hooked up wrong, but you know, we had to phone a friend, and he was busy at the moment, so we're going to give it another shot, maybe tomorrow, sometime this week. It might be running this week. And what was terrifying to me in a way, but in a good way, was that if we get it running, it's got a tag, it's got insurance. I could just drive. I mean, I could drive it. It ain't like once you get it running, you gotta get the tag. I got all that. I've got everything. So, I mean, literally, if we get it running at his house, I could drive it here, legally, on the road. And I'm like, whoa. You know, because think about any other car or anything. I mean, you're like, well, I don't know. I got to get a tag. I got to get inspected, blah, 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 blah. No. Like, literally, I could drive it home. It's insane. I was like, whoa. But anyway, so as you can see, it's not really, we didn't really make it go yet, but at least you hear it making noise, which is different. It's not just sitting here being a paperweight. But yeah, so I had some ideas today about some possible videos or a video for the band, just for something to do since everybody's in quarantine. Um, and yeah, so maybe that'll happen. I don't know. I'm getting pretty good with this whole iMovie thing. I mean, my content sucks. I know it does. I'm sorry. I can't help it. I gotta work. If I was at home, I could be like, oh, look at this adventure, look at that adventure. We're gonna go on a nature walk. But it's just more like, oh, traffic. But yeah, so I'm sorry about that. But this is how it is. But yeah, so anyway, yeah, that's today's video. So maybe tomorrow will be something new, like a car running. But don't know. So anyway, it's just so weird. I could like skateboard in here. I'm like, what's going on? But yeah, so that's a wrap on day 105. Whoa, 105. I don't know how many days of the shelter in place it is now, because it's not a shelter in place for me. It's business as normal. I'm going to meet people. I come in contact with 5, 6 people a day. You know, so it's what it is. You just gotta deal with it. But any rate, yeah. So I'm gonna trying to think what else was I gonna say. Got finished with Descendants 2 last night. I think I said that, but yeah, it was a little rough. We finished it. Got Descendants 3 up next. Probably a tomorrow thing or something. But yeah, I think it's been a pretty okay day. Like I said, it's nice to see garage floor again. Last time it left, it came back painted, so that's pretty exciting for me. But yeah, hope everybody's staying safe, and we'll see you tomorrow.